I'm joining with China's Xinhua News Agency. Now I'm in Lanzhou in Gansu province, northwest China. Here is home to a unique type of Chinese noodles called Lanzhou hempu noodles or Lanzhou beef noodles. The flavor of this bowl is really difficult to come by, and some of you may think it's an easy dish to make and everyone can cook a bowl of Lanzhou beef noodles. But do you want to know how to make authentic Lanzhou beef noodles? Follow me and I will show you how. Let's go. 师傅，那个我要一碗三蟹。
好的。大家都要吧？
都要的。The thinnest one, please. We need to stretch out the dough and put it again and again. Then we put the dough into different widths and thickness according to the diner's specifications. Now let's throw the noodles into simmering stock with the beef, radish slices and multiple spices. A bowl of authentic Lanzhou beef noodles contains 4 ingredients: clear soup, white radish, red chili oil, and green coriander and onion. Now, let's have a try. Look at this, guys. This is one of the Muslims' favorite breakfasts. A bowl of noodles, beef, eggs, and a dish. Now, we're going to put the beef into the bowl. The beef is getting tender once you soak it in. Now I will have a try. It's really scrumptious. As the Belt and Road Initiative continues to hit up, the Lanzhou beef noodle culture will also settle inside any melting pot it touches. And many chefs will go on to start their own business around the Belt and Road countries. Now I'm in the kitchen of the restaurant. The noodle is really scrumptious, and now I'm about to experience the process of making hempu noodles. It's really difficult for me. The Belt and Road Initiative has brought Lanzhou's flavors to the world, and it has also satisfied the appetite of diners from all over the world. On the top of that, Lanzhou beef noodles created many employment opportunities to the locals living in the poor areas in northwest China.